Hello friends, so I've been trying to understand why are these pro effects free and still no one is using them. Well, there are different effects contributing to that, but let us face the main one for now. I just want to give a huge thanks to Wondershare Filmora team for sponsoring this video. They are giving you as a Filmora user an opportunity to win grand prizes, and I'll give more details to that later in this video. People, or rather should I say editors, are not spending much of their time under the effects tab. And by the end of the day, we will think we don't have enough. But we are not realizing the tools in our hands. And that being said, let us find out which are these effects. Are they really free and how can we use them? So I'm going to show you this example of an action scene to find out our very first effect and how can it be used. So many times you find out when the main actor is on a disadvantage, or like if he's losing the battle, there is kind of a dreamy effect, taking the man from the real world and start showing him something like the memories of his training. So this is the grain blur. Go right on the effects and search for the grain blur. Drag it and apply it on your video in the timeline. So right here you can see it will be looking like this on the previous screen. So now you go to the effect properties. So over here you add the keyframe and add the values to 0. Then you move your player to the end of the clip. Then increase the values like this. So this is going to create that animation effect as the angle is changing values. Like this on the previous screen right now. So you've been finding out this type of effect several times and you can't understand really how is it made. You think maybe it's keyframing, but really keyframing cannot do this, because the keyframing we have in Wondershare Filmora right now, we don't have the options to ease either in or out. So you just cannot make it yet through keyframes. But here is the effect. This is very simple again. Go to your effects and search for the mild effect. Drag it into your timeline. Now you double click to customize the effects properties to the way you want it. Now let me make some few customizations right here and show you the preview of it. Here comes one of my favorite, which is really not being used out there. So when you are trying to give a better look to a scrolling page, or it can be a channel, a web page, or maybe an article, you need this effect. Honestly guys, editing perspectives in Wondershare Filmora without using effects, that's actually a mission. One option that I've known so far of doing that is through the plugin effects, which I can create a video of if you would like to see it. So for now, let's go on with this. Enlarge. Just go to the effects and then search for enlarge. Drag it down to apply it to your file in their timeline. No extra settings on this one, otherwise you'll be taking it off. So it's just a drag and drop. These were 3 free effects that I wanted you guys to realize when you are editing your projects in Wondershare Filmora. So don't forget guys, the 800k giveaway that I have mentioned earlier in this video. And the requirement to stand a chance is as simple as comment, like and share the video, which I'm going to link in my description. The event is going to cover 100 winners with the DJI wireless microphone, GoPro Hero 11, as well as Filmora effects and plugin license. So go ahead and check it out before this date. If you may have any question about what we have discussed in this video, please let me know.